Hey everyone, so I'm here today to do another journal cover. This one is going to be a little fabric covered like mini journal cover, because I'd started making a journal and the cover I was going to put in just didn't work out, as in the colour was all wrong. So I've made my signatures and I've been filling it out with pockets and stuff, and that's the little journal cover that I was going to use, but obviously it just didn't go. So anyway, this is a curry box, a curry sauce, a Chinese curry sauce mix, which is actually really nice. Anyone in the UK that gets this, it's really, really nice. I like it. I do add extra things to it to spice it up a little bit. But anyway, so I'm measuring this at its width at 3 and I believe it was 3.5, because obviously the size of the signatures that I have, and I'm just trimming that off. I'm not using any special tools, just simple ruler, pencil, and yeah, just obviously like judging. So the height of this, I need it to be 5 3/4, and I'm just measuring that. So that's basically just the size that I'm using. Obviously, if you're doing something like this, you measure it to the size of the signatures that you have, or the preference of the journal size that you want to make. So my next step here is just using a glue stick, because I'm going to glue on coffee dyed paper to the front and the back, and I'm just gonna shush now, I think, and you can just watch me do this, and if you have any questions, then you can just ask. So that's it done. Easy peasy, very quick and easy. You don't need anything special, and you can use anything that you like to make a little journal cover. If you do have any questions, just ask, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.